Okay, Santa Claus is gone, but winter is not gone, so it's still cold outside, and that means we have to wear things that make us cool and tech things. I have two things in front of me. These are touchscreen finger gloves, as you can see. And this is a hat with a speaker inside. As you can see, there is a speaker in this hat. It's plastic, it's very cheap, but there are two speakers to be exact. So one on the left and one on the right, of course. So weird thing, these two cables running out of your head, but yeah. I look like the guy from, what's the series called? Skins or something? It's a bit weird with the glasses on because it hurts a little bit. But I definitely hear the music. But you have to turn it on the loudest volume, as you can see, so that's a bit annoying. Cool, eh? I like that. That's pretty cool. Next up are the touchscreen gloves, and we all know these, but these are a little cheaper, I think, and they have some kind of weird texture on the fingers. It has some kind of weird, very weird texture, and this texture makes sure that you can touch your screen with it, but as you can see, that doesn't work perfectly. Alright, now it works, but now it's not working. Man, you have to press really hard on these, but they work, as you can see, so that's pretty neat. Alright, I would say if you want to get fully teched up during the winter, these things are a must-have, because when you're driving your bike, for example, you have your headphones already installed and it's safe because you will hear the traffic around you, and you can use your phone while driving the bike, which is a little dangerous, but yeah, just do it. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya!